In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Google Drive link and navigate through it with ease. Google Drive is a powerful tool for storing and sharing files, whether you are working on a collaborative project or simply organizing your personal documents. Understanding how to access shared links is crucial to collaborating effectively or retrieving shared material. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to ensure you have a stable internet connection. This is essential as accessing and downloading files from Google Drive requires a seamless internet experience. Once you've confirmed your connection, you will want to open a web browser of your choice. Common options are Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Any modern browser should work fine, but if possible, try to use the most updated version for better compatibility and security. Now, head over to the URL or address bar at the top of your browser and click on it. This is where you're going to input the link to the Google Drive file or folder you wish to access. Simply type in or paste the hyperlink that was shared with you into this bar and press Enter. Once the page has loaded, you might be prompted to sign into your Google account. This step is crucial as you need to be logged in to access the shared content. Enter your credentials and proceed. If you are already signed in, your browser might skip this step and direct you straight to the file or folder. Now you should be able to see the content of the Google Drive link. If the sharer has set permissions as View Only, you'll be able to see and possibly download the document but won't have editing rights. However, if editing permissions are granted, you can open the document and make necessary changes directly on Google Drive. If you need to keep a copy or plan to work offline, look for the download icon or option, which is typically represented by a downward arrow. Click this to download the content to your device and ensure you choose a location where you can easily find it later. For added ease, remember that Google Drive also has an organized sidebar to navigate between your available files, giving you quick access to all your stored content. Familiarize yourself with this setup to streamline your experience further. And there you have it, a straightforward way to open a Google Drive link. Whether it's for reviewing a presentation or collaborating on a piece of content in real time, following these simple steps will ensure you effectively access and manage Google Drive links. Remember to always sign out after use, particularly on shared or public computers, to maintain the security and privacy of your documents. Happy Googling, and until next time, keep exploring more ways to enhance your digital experiences.